Right, I'm going to get the old Land Rover going. She's been stood now about 6 months since I put her in here, and we're going to start. What I'm going to start and do, I've primed the fuel. We've now got fuel up to carburetor. I've checked point gap. Now I've got a decent point gap. Change the oil. Put a new oil filter on down there. I've had the batteries on charge. I'm going to give it a whirl and see if we can get her going. I'm going to see if we can build her into something a bit unique. Right, I've checked, we've got a spark, and we have. Checked, we've got some fuel dripping in there. We've got some battery power. Let's have a look what happens. Put you up here. We'll see what happens. Enough battery power, I don't think. Right, I've poured a bit down the carb, a bit of fuel, we'll see what happens again. I'll have to take the plugs out and have a look. Right, we've got a bit more battery power now. Got no water in, so that's the next job. Right, so the plan is we're going to refit the front radiator mount and the bonnet, and we're going to cut the front to fit a zone type style wing, and at the back I'm going to re-straighten this, take these off and put a new panel in on the outer edge, use the bottom as a rock slider, and as it comes up here leave this, fit a little bit of a new piece in here that fits around there, same on the other side, alter a bit of the inside to make the handbrake move more. It needs this panel in the middle down here needs moving a little bit. We're then going to alter the batteries a little bit to see if we can get a seat in the middle. And then I think the dash might be altered a little bit. Some of the starting buttons, some of the other things. But the plan is that, well, when we built it many years ago, is that all this comes out. This is all bolted in, it comes out. So you can take the lot out. So we can fit a bigger motor in. So I think we'll change the inner wings and move them out and down. So it gives us more room. I think the radiator is going to stay in the same place for now. Then we'll end up with a big hole, probably a diesel, more than likely. I'd like to put a V6 Ford in, but can't get them now. Same on this side, exactly the same as the other side. I've got some welding underneath to do. Need a pair of back springs, some headlights to put in, some tail lights to put in, exhaust to manufacture again, new toe board, and we're thinking of putting a crane on the back, sort of coming from here up and back down to the back bumper, for lifting logs. So we may be using it as a logging tractor, I think. On the road, logging tractor come apocalypse, Mad Max style vehicle, I think. Definitely be different to something else. Oh, and I forgot. I'm going to have a roof on. A roof. May get some glass cut to make a window or a windscreen. Not sure yet. I have to see a friend of mine that makes bathrooms, glass baths and things like that. He said he'd cut me some for an old car once, so we might get some. Gonna get it tested first and see how we go on from there. Right, if you have any ideas about what you'd like to see on it or what might work, you can have a look at. As usual, put them in the comments below and we'll see what we can do.